Yes, so Sri Akal students. So in this lecture, we will learn how to find standard deviation of continuous frequency distribution. Okay. So some continuous frequency distribution is given. That is 30 to 40, 40 to 50, like that, 90 to 100. Its corresponding frequency is also given. Right, students? Now we want to find out the variance. Variance we know is represented by sigma square. For continuous frequency distribution, the formula to find variance is given here. Now it is summation fi into xi minus x bar whole square. Xi is midpoint of every interval. X bar is the mean. And students, we know when frequency is given, how we can find the mean? Mean we can find as summation xi multiplied by fi divided by total number of, we can write n, right? We can write n total frequency, not we can write summation fi, right? This is how we have been finding out mean. This is how we will find here also. So after finding variance, we know under root of variance is our standard deviation. Standard deviation is represented by sigma. So that is equal to under root of variance, right? Under root of variance is standard deviation, right? So having understood all the formula, let us try to do this sum. So now students, this is continuous frequency distribution. Even if it is not continuous, suppose it was 30 to 40, then 41 to 50, 51 to 60, then it's very easy to convert into continuous frequency distribution by subtracting zero point 0.5 from the this term and adding zero point 0.5 to this term. When we will do this? Only in the case when the upper limit of this interval is not matching the lower limit of next interval. But in this case, it is matching, so we need not do anything, right? So frequency is given. Now the first thing is we will find out the midpoint, right? So I will write here midpoint. Midpoint is xi. So how we will find xi is very simple, students. We will
35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95.
beautiful, very right. We will simply add 30 and 40 and we will simply divide it by 2. That is midpoint of 30 and 40. We know that is 35. Very right. So we will simply complete it 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. Having calculated midpoint, now we want we can multiply fi with xi. Why we want to do this? To find out the mean, right? In the mean, we want xi, product of xi and fi. So we will complete this also. Now students, after we have calculated all fi and xi, I will simply find what is summation fi xi. So if you add all this, very simple, you will get 3100. Right. You should do it yourself. Now, after you find fi xi, easily we can find out the mean. Now, x bar is the mean. So mean would be summation xi fi that I have calculated 3100 divided by n.
50.
Total frequency. Very right. N or summation fi, that is equal to 50 Ishma. Very right. So I will simply divide it by 50, goes with 0. 62 will be the mean. Fine, students. After I have found out the mean, students, now I want to go further to find out the variance. For variance, I need xi minus x bar whole square and then multiply that by fi. So first in this, I will find out xi minus x bar whole square. Right? You can make two columns also. First you find out xi minus x bar and then square it. But I'm right now doing it right now like this only. So what is xi minus x bar? Xi is 35 students. 35 minus what is x bar? Mean is 62. Square
27.
this. Very right. That is 27 square. So that will be 720.
729.
Very right, student. So like that, I will complete this. So students, you see that we have done xi minus x bar for this case, all the cases, and then we also find the square of that. Now students see that when I was doing the standard deviation and variance for the simple data, so then I was doing the addition for all this. But now the frequency is there. I need to multiply this xi minus x bar whole square with fi. So I need not do the summation here. So I will go to the next column. So next column will be this one. I want this thing. That is fi into xi minus x bar whole square. Very right. So what will be it will be? Anyone can tell me? Can Ishma tell me? Fi is what? Fi is 3 and what is xi minus x bar whole square? 729. So when I multiply this, nothing stai, do, 2, 1,
2187.
beautiful, right? Like that. So second will be 289 multiplied by the frequency is 7. So that will be 2023. Like that, I will complete this. So students, my next step is I've done all these calculations. I've multiplied every frequency with xi minus x bar whole square. Multiplying these two, I got this. Like that, I've completed this. And now I want to...
17050.
Oh, you have done it. Beautiful. So it is 110, 10050. Very good, Anchal. Very nice. Good. Those who are active with the teacher, in academics, they are active in the final exam and competition also. A basic thumbnail. So we have done this. Now we are proceeding to find out the variance. So students, the variance is represented by sigma square. The formula is given here. Summation fi xi minus x bar whole square, already we know that is 10050. Now mean of this means add all these values, divide by total frequency. That is
50.
50. Beautiful. This divided by 50 is...
201.
Oh, Ishma, that's great. That's great. Long live Ishma. 201. Once we know the variance, now Rupinder, can you help me to find out the standard deviation? Yes. If not Rupinder, then Anchal. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation is sigma, that is equal to under root of variance. All right. So that is equal to under root of 201. So that is equal to 14.18 is my standard deviation. So students, I've been able to do this sum. Let's do one more sum. Yes, students, there is another formula to find out the standard deviation. Let's do a sum based upon that also. The standard deviation sigma is given by 1 by n under root n multiplied by summation fi xi square minus summation fi xi whole square. So here students, what all we need, xi and fi is given, right? So we need one is fi xi. So we will make a column for fi xi. Then we need xi square. We'll make a column for xi square. And then we need xi square multiplied by fi. So I've done that also. So it's very simple. Fi xi is 7 3s are 21. Then 80. and then it is 195, 18 into 10, 180, and C student 23 into 6, 138, right? Once you have done this, we also need summation Fi xi. Find out summation Fi xi. So students, you do this, this is 614. Then xi square. So xi is 3. Student Ishma, please help me to complete this. 9,
9,
64. Then
3 to 4, and 5 to 9.
169. 13 square is 169. Then correct, 3 to 4, and 23 square is 5 to 9. I need not do the summation because I don't need summation xi square. Rather, I need fi xi square. Now I'll multiply xi square with fi 7. So now Satrate 63. So I'm just completing it. It will be 640. Then 2535. Here 3240 and 3174. Anyone can add these. Now I will get summation Fi xi square, right? Summation Fi xi square is equal to, if you add this, it comes to be 9652. Right, students? Now, see, in this formula, you did not find x bar. There is no need to find out the mean. Am I right? You can straight away find the standard deviation. I also request you that we will be able to find the answer. You please compare it with the this formula also, previous formula. This is your homework. See whether the answer is coming correct or not. In addition to that, I'll give you few more sums to do for the homework. Okay, so students, once we have done this, we know standard deviation would be equal to 1 by n. What is n? N is summation Fi, total frequency. So students, if you add this, what is
48. 48.
48? Okay, this is 48. So 1 by 48. So 1 by 48. Now it will be under root of, yes. So now n multiplied by, so n is 48. Okay, n is 48. N is 48. Now summation Fi xi square. Now summation Fi xi square. This is Fi xi square. Summation is n multiplied by 9652 minus, now summation Fi xi. This is 614 square of this. Square of this. So this will be, students, equal to 1 by 48 under root. When you multiply these two, you get this 463,296 minus, to the square of this, you'll get 376,996. Okay, it'll be more more of calculation, but you can do it. So well, this is equal to 1 by 48. So once you solve this, students, this is equal to into 293.77. Well, that is equal to 6.12, right? So a standard deviation directly we are getting is equal to 6.12. Any student can tell me, suppose it is also asked what is the variance in this case. Anybody can tell me what will be variance? Yes, Ishma or Anchal, what is the variance?
Square of 6.
Should be correct, 6.12 square. Beautiful, students. So this is, with this, our approach to finding the variance and standard deviation of continuous frequency distribution is over. I humbly request you, if you like that, do subscribe our channel Learn CBSE. This is the complete name. Thank you very much, students.